Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news straight from Samsung's Innovation Labs. The tech giant is once again getting ready to shake up the foldable phone market, and this time it's all about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 series. There's a lot to talk about: what's coming, what's changing, and how it could shape the future of foldable smartphones. So let's dive right into it. Samsung is preparing to kick off mass production of its latest foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7, starting next month. This is a major move in their foldable journey, showing that they're going all in on this futuristic form factor. Production will be handled at Samsung's Gumi plant in North Gyeongsang Province, along with their facility in Vietnam. That means a solid rollout strategy is already in place, with devices moving smoothly from assembly lines to customers. Now, if you remember, Samsung faced a few setbacks earlier with the Galaxy S23. The plan was to use the Exynos 2500 chip, but due to some performance limitations and supply challenges, that idea had to be scrapped. This time around, Samsung wants to avoid all of that, especially when it comes to their new foldables. Let's talk about what to expect from the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This phone is expected to have a larger, more immersive display when unfolded, great for multitasking, gaming, or watching content on the go. And it won't just be powerful, it'll look great too, with 4 stylish color options available. In fact, Samsung is aiming to ship around 160,000 units of the Fold 7 in the second quarter alone. That says a lot about their confidence in this model. As for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Samsung is bringing not just the regular version, but also an FE, or Fan Edition, variant. That's right, a more affordable version is in the works, which could make foldables much more accessible to more users. They're planning to produce about 240,000 units of the standard Z Flip 7, and roughly 170,000 units of the FE model. With a lower price tag, the FE could help foldables go mainstream faster than ever. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Samsung is currently in the final testing stages of its Exynos 2500 chip. This chip, developed by Samsung's own System LSI division, is based on a 3nm process, which is cutting edge in the chip world. If all goes well, this new chip could be used in the Z Flip 7, potentially eliminating the need for Qualcomm chips in that model. That would be a huge move for Samsung, as it would allow them to take full control over both hardware and software. So, why is Samsung pushing so hard for this chip? Well, the company recently reported a huge loss of about 2 trillion won in the first quarter. Getting the Exynos 2500 to market successfully could help offset that and start turning things around. Not only that, it also sets up Samsung for their next big leap, the Exynos 2600. This upcoming chip is expected to be built on a 2nm process, making it even more advanced. So as you can see, Samsung's new foldables are about much more than just cool design and bigger displays. They're part of a much broader strategy that includes in-house chip innovation and pricing options that appeal to more people. With mass production beginning soon, the debut of a new in-house chip, and the introduction of a more budget-friendly Z Flip 7 FE, Samsung might be on the verge of launching its biggest foldable lineup yet. What do you think? Are you more hyped for the premium Fold 7 or the affordable Flip 7 FE? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech updates from Vision Tech. And don't forget to click that bell icon so you never miss a future video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.